So this tank is a 20-gallon tall, so it's, I think, 24 inches tall. And this is the 6-watt I got today on the lowest setting, pointed up. So it's really powerful. And if you point it down, it will blow everything out of the gravel if you're not careful. But it's nice because it's adjustable in about every way. I'll only be using it, 5-10 minutes at a time, just to kind of clean the gravel of the tank up and push it towards the intake of my hang on the back filter. But I've found that it works best if you point it towards the glass so that it kind of deflects or diffuses some of the power of it. But it certainly gets the job done. And this is the lowest setting. My goodness. Makes tank cleanup really quick. The magnet is very strong. I would put something, either start it up here or put something like a cloth or a piece of paper between the two and then just slide it down. Because if you're not careful, you can clack it against your tank and break the glass. But it's a nice little wave maker, especially for the money. I wish it was a little smaller and not in blue, but it's a good product.
This tank is 4 feet long, 2 feet high, and 18 inches towards the back. So this flow wave maker, I put it down lower because it's pretty powerful, and you can see it's very easy to move around. It's a magnet, of course. Easy to move around. If you want to turn it, you can turn it. So very nice. So get it up here so I can show you this. It's supposed to have the flow adjustment here, so these white thingies here. So okay, see, that's down, and it doesn't look like anything changed to me. It's hard to do with one hand. Okay, I move both. To me, that's the same. No flow adjustment at all. I'm going to take it apart and see if there's something going on in there that I need to adjust to make it work right.
Right now, this is a 55-gallon tank. You can kind of see the airflow. It's not terrible. I mean, it gets over here. So this is the 55-gallon, like I said. That's the product. It does, like I said, that's just common with every single wave maker, that stuff's going to get sucked up there. I haven't oscillated it, I think, if that's the word, but, you know, right now it's good. I'll show you, too, if I was to turn this up. So from that distance to that, you can kind of see where it's at. That's how powerful it is, if that's any indication. So, yeah.
Listen to this. Complete waste of money. Worst product ever bought. This is absolutely unacceptable. Listen. I'm about to unplug it. Now it's completely gone. It's no longer running. Replug it. Noise is back. Utter trash.
UFO video and people think it's fake.
Hey, the only thing stupid is believing what someone on the internet thinks. Ignore them.
It's not just one person, it's most.
I'll give it a team now. 11 games over 500.
Hello?